Let's see the power of the blend tool in this video. So let's start the tutorial. Here at first going to the circle or ellipse, just drawing the circle or ellipse like that, giving the color, turn off the stroke, and then just to make this one half of the circle like that. That's fine. Going to the shape builders tool, press the Alt option button and delete this portion. We got this, and now we'll make it stroke, and after that going to the scissor tool and cut off here and here. Now we are getting this part and this part. Now we'll go to the blend tool. Here going to the blend tool and select once here, select once here, and then double press over there. Now we'll change up the specified between two steps. Scroll the wheel of the mouse and you will get this one like that and hit OK. And after that this stroke should be uniform mode. You can make this stroke or this stroke, double press over there, going to the uniform mode and turn the stroke thickness up. That's good. You can do this one as well, uniform and like that. That's good. And now we'll rotate this one. Ctrl C and Ctrl F. Rotate this one like that and place over there. Ctrl C, Ctrl F. Rotate this one and you can place it over there. Ctrl C, Ctrl F. Just rotate this one. You're getting amazing illusion type logo or flower, whatever you can tell. You can easily make this type of logo by the help of this blend tool. Thank you so much.